We're on.
Because our country is being
Slowly.
torn apart as a result.
Let's have a quick
The
walk
truth
around.
is, there are many people in this country that want to turn it into an Islamic caliphate. And I don't want Britain to become an Islamic caliphate. I don't want England to become an Islamic caliphate.
No, we don't.
Countries that are predominantly Mohammedan, and I see that people are thrown off roofs for having the wrong sort of lifestyle. Women are not allowed to drive or learn, and have to cover their faces with all but the letterbox of the niqab. It's wrong. It's inappropriate. It's wrong, and it's not in our way of life. The English way has always been freedom of religion.
Slowly filling up. It's early yet. They're just doing sound checks. There we go. Have some time and some flags.